Alienware has unveiled new gaming laptops Alienware X15 R1 and Alienware X17 R1 as part of the new X series. The new models are compact and are said to be the thinnest in Alienware's gaming laptop segment. Both the laptops come with 11th General Intel Core H series mobile processors. Alienware X15 is being called the world's most powerful sub-16mm 15-inch gaming laptop to date with 15.9mm of thickness. While Alienware X17 comes with an optional Cherry MX mechanical keyboard to deliver a fast, smooth, and visually grand gaming experience to users. The Alienware X15 has a 15.6-inch display including 1080p resolution/360Hz refresh rate or 1440p resolution/240Hz refresh rate. Users can also add on ComfortView Plus, which is a hardware-based, low blue light technology that helps reduce eye strain. The laptop has storage space of up to 4 TB. It packs an 87Wh battery, paired with a 240W power adapter. The Alienware X15 R1 also comes in configurations including a Windows Hello AR camera for biometric login. The laptop weighs 2.27 kilograms. Besides features to improve the thermal management of the device, the Alienware X15 1 South African Rand is built using the company's Legend 2.0 design identity with a dark core chassis. It adds a black keyboard deck to reduce screen reflections. The details about the availability and pricing of the Alienware X15 R1 and X17 R1 in India and other markets are not out yet.